Hi guys, let's see how to insert a comma after certain character in Google Sheet. So let's say here after every please I want that there should be a comma. Then what functions we can use? So what we will use here is equals to left A1 6. So A1 is this, A1 6. That means we will just extract 6 characters from this total A1. Okay, 6 characters. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So please from left 6 character will be please, and then and sign for concatenating, adding the strings, and after that we will add a comma under double quotes, then again add sign, so that adding the rest part of it. And what will be the rest part? This is a mid function which will in A1 start from 7, because 6 is please, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and after that there will be space 7, and it will go up to length of A1. Okay, so the total number of characters in A1, it will go from 7 to that length. Okay, so just I have pasted this formula in the description of this video. So just paste it, hit enter, and that's it. There will be a comma after every please here. In your case, there will be certain other characters, so you can adjust it like this. Thanks for watching. Please do